Exciting changes are coming to YouTube in the next couple of weeks. On August 23rd and 31st, you'll notice some major updates that will impact YouTube charts and your channel page. Here's the scoop. YouTube charts, with its incredible 50 billion daily video views, is mainly filled with fantastic content from genuine creators. Unfortunately, it's also a magnet for spammers and scammers who flood it with countless re-uploads of the same video, accompanied by deceptive links that lead to shady websites. Starting from August 31st, YouTube charts will no longer support hyperlinks in comments and descriptions. Also, clickable social media icons will vanish from desktop channel banners. While this might frustrate scammers, it does have some downsides for creators, as those useful links directing our viewers to social media, sponsored sites, affiliate pages, and other videos will become non-clickable text. But wait, there's good news. On August 23rd, YouTube will introduce prominent clickable links near the subscribe button on mobile and desktop channel pages. When clicked, viewers will see up to 12 approved websites complying with YouTube's guidelines. This lets viewers preview destinations before clicking and helps YouTube monitor for spam and abuse more effectively than checking through countless comments and descriptions. Now let's talk about linking your content. YouTube is rolling out a fantastic update. You'll be able to connect your short videos to other shorts, long-form videos, or live streams right within YouTube Studio. This creates a clickable title above the caption, providing a seamless experience. This feature is different from last year's Edit into a Short, as it lets you link any public upload to a custom-created short, making it even more versatile. This update is expected by the end of September, though if you've already pinned links in your shorts, you'll need to manually update them. While some of these changes might be a bit annoying, they're geared towards making YouTube a better platform for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.